This is the DecorStar TV LED backlight kit. Let's take it out of the box. In the box you get a little user manual here. You get the control box. This plugs in and is powered USB. You must supply your own USB power source for it. The control box means you can mount this and control the functions right here without the need for the remote, although it does come with a remote as well. And coming off of that, this is the sensor for the remote, and that is where the light strip would plug in, right there. They also give you a remote for it. They give you a sticky pad, double stick tape foam pad that you can use to mount the control box. 4 little cable clips with adhesive on them, and of course the light strip itself. This light strip is 14.5 feet long, and it's suitable for TVs from 55 to 70 inches. But this one has an interesting twist. You see the white in here? I'm going to go ahead and unravel this and show you what that's about. Okay, with most of that unraveled, you have your typical LED strip light right here. The back has a nano adhesive. You peel the red off and it's self-stick. But if we go here, you'll notice that the strip stops and there's a piece of wire there. And that's so you can do the corners a lot easier rather than having to try to make it bend and then it won't stick and fall off and that. This way you can do, your 2 straights and your sides going up. No problem. Just like that. It's all built right in. Just like that. And this can also be cut to length as well at the end of it. You can cut on these here, but you won't be able to use the part that you cut off ever again. Okay, I'm going to leave it sort of like this here, and we're going to go ahead and just run through the colors here. First thing I wanted to show you is the different brightness settings. There are 6 different brightness settings on it. So we'll leave it about there, and now we'll go through the different colors. We'll go back. There was a nice blue somewhere right there, just plain old blue. That looks great just as it is. And again, you can brighten and dim that down if you want. We'll set it to the dimmest setting. And this should give you the idea of why this is so useful. You see just the surface here and that just glow that it has around the light strip. When you mount this to the back of the TV, that's going to project off the back wall, whatever's behind it, and give sort of a glow from behind the TV. And that way it helps to reduce eye strain, because you're not looking at this one bright object. It's spread out over a larger area and the light diffuses better. There's also the quote-unquote music mode. There's a microphone built into the little control box there, and when it hears sound like from the TV, the light will change. So I'll engage that now, and now when I speak, you see how the lights will change. They'll change color and flash and do all kinds of interesting stuff. And then you can go ahead and turn the music mode off right there, just like that. There are different modes that you can play with, like this one where it kind of dims them and brightens them and does all sorts of interesting stuff. And you can play around with this, and make it exactly the way you want. Change it up different times of the day as well. So it's all up to you, whatever you want to do as far as setting it. That's really a matter of personal preference. What's also nice is they give you a cool white which this is. Now remember, these are RGB, so it's a combination of the red, green, and blue together to give you that. And there's also a warm white mode like that, which is actually pretty nice in and of itself. We can brighten that up a bit right there. That does a fine job. And there's the cool white at a brighter setting. Here's another flash mode, as you see. And yet another one where it'll do all kinds of interesting stuff. You can run through all of the colors like that. And it can also fade into different colors as well. So there's a bunch of different modes and things you can do with it. But again, it gives a nice glow off the back of your TV to help alleviate eye strain, and it just looks cool. So once again, this was the DecorStar TV LED backlight kit. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find it available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.